Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 1949 Willys or Willys. Now we looked it up and John Willys, who started the company, he said he didn't care how anybody pronounced his name as long as they had money in his pocket. Of course, I know it as Willys, so I'm calling it a Willys. Look at this beautiful truck, man. Now I've been going to car shows my entire life and y'all know I've got a couple of years on me. And I have never seen a truck done to this level. A truck, a Jeep, anything. I mean, this thing is over the top. It's a pickup truck. She's got a 134 four-banger under the hood. It is a flathead. She's looking sweet. We got one tiny little crack in the paint right here. Other than that, man, the paint on this thing is just knocking your socks off. Unbelievably great. We got some pinstriping here, accenting these doors. Now, of course, everything on this thing is metal. Everything looks original. We got the dumpster guy over there dumping the dumpster. And look at the interior on this thing. Just amazing, man. She just looks like a brand new truck right back into 1949. Man, the dumpster guy's making a lot of noise today. Look at that steering wheel too. That's what I just love that steering wheel. All original, looking great. Now we got 4 shifters in there. One's for the 3-speed, one's for the overdrive, and the other 2 are for the 4-wheel drive unit. Of course, the spare tire here, all looking sweet. Everything's metal. Look at the bed on this thing. Now they did something really cool. They put some bed liner material in here and painted it the same color as the truck, which looks really cool. Of course, that's an upgrade. We got a great looking stamped tailgate here with the Willys on there. It was Willys Overland. That's what the W and the 0 are for. The pintle hitch. We got a little bit of scrape on the bumper here too where we've put the gate down. I mean, just everything about this thing is off the hook, man. I tell you, I love this truck. And she drives great, too. I mean, I wouldn't expect to go down the highway 80 miles an hour in this thing, but she's an amazing piece. So call Tom anytime at 248-974-9513, and he'll tell you all about this dream truck. All right, this baby's got enough shifters. We need to show you what they all do. Now, we've got our normal shifter right here, which is an H pattern. So reverse, first, second, and third. In the center is overdrive, which is very rare. It's in direct drive now. You push it forward to put it in overdrive. Then we have 4-wheel drive on, 4-wheel drive off. So it's in 2-wheel drive now, pull down to put it in 4-wheel. Then we have high and low range for the 4-wheel drive. We have a little designation down here showing you how the overdrive works. And then up on the dash, we have our H pattern and our 4-wheel drive instructions, which are very cool. So let's take this thing for a ride. We got her out on the road now, baby. Let's go. Now I got it in overdrive here. Started out in first, no problem. Shifted into second. Now we've had a lot of these Jeeps and these Willys, all these old babies. And I tell you, the way this thing drives, she drives amazing compared to all those other ones. Just amazing. Now, I'm going to show you how to stop it right now because we got a semi-truck blocking the road. I have no idea what this guy thinks he's doing either. I mean, look at this. Where does he think he's possibly going? Well, we'll take a look at the dash while this guy does this and he entertains us. You can see all the gauges here looking sweet. We got a choke over here, the keys here. The pedal start is down there in the center. I guess this guy's out of the way, but it's time to go again. Let's go for a ride, baby. You want to talk about a sweetheart? This is one sweetheart right here. Talk about a great parade vehicle. This thing is an awesome parade vehicle too. And driving around town, I think I already told you I would not take this thing out on the expressway. Probably good for about 55 miles an hour. Tell you, she's running awesome. Get around the corner here and take a look. Now there are no synchros in first gear, so to start out in first, you do need to come to a complete stop. Of course, all these guys are gawking at this beautiful truck instead of driving. That's one thing you run into whenever you've got something cool. Everybody's gonna be looking at you and not paying attention to what they're doing. So we're gonna take this baby back to the shop where we're gonna put it up on the lift so you can see how nice the bottom side is also. Tell you what, we're in overdrive in second gear and she's rolling along pretty good, probably about 40 miles an hour there. Like I said, no synchros in first. So when you pull up on a stop sign, you're gonna have to come to a complete stop to get it in first. So here we go again. So please, if you'd like to come check it out in person, we'd love to have you. And make sure you check out our website often and watch YouTube. Share this with your buddies and make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't already subscribe to it. We're always posting new videos just about every day. Stick with us, we're going in the air with this right now. All right, we're underneath the 49 now, and man, is it pretty under here. Look at the tailpipe, all brand new, looking sweet. Looks like a pea shooter. Of course, it's only got a 134 cubic inch motor, so it doesn't need to be that big. Gas tank's all original, looking sweet. Now look at the rear end housing. Isn't that sweet how it bolts together this way? Now I'm sure it's got a stock gear in it. We got brand new brake lines, and our guys will still take the brakes apart, make sure they're on good working order. The leaf springs, it says it'll haul a ton. I looked it up. It's just beautiful under here. Look, everything's brand new, looking good. I'm sure these little pieces of oak were probably what they used back in the day. This truck was restored by Willys experts, so definitely looks like everything's correct to the truck. The frame is looking beautiful. I mean, just this thing's a 1949, and I tell you, she is definitely preserved. We got the transfer case here that's 2-speed. It does have overdrive also. So she's a 2-speed transfer case, and then it's got overdrive. So you got a lot of gears to shift. Then we got the 3-speed manual transmission. Here's our little 134 flathead that we're gonna take a look at when we lower this thing down. Everything up here is looking sweet. The 4-wheel drive unit, all the nuts, the bolts, all the fasteners, everything's brand new under here. I mean, this is definitely absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it looks like a brand new truck under here. I mean, it's like turn the clock back to 1949 and it looks just like it rolled off the assembly line. Chrome on the front bumper looks like it's brand new. Tires are definitely new. Doesn't look like they've got any miles on them whatsoever. Now we do have lockout hubs on this. I love the way they did the stripe there, the pinstripes looking sweet. Let's see, we got two 1585 16s on the tires. They got a little bit of like a bed liner material on the back side of the front fenders. That's going to help protect the paint. You can see all the paint on the frame, all the fasteners, everything looking sweet. The rocker all looks original and beautiful shape. The little side step here, all metal. Back fender, metal. Everything's metal on the stuff. I mean, it looks like it's all original metal. Of course, same size tire out back here too. Same good looking pinstripe. I mean, she is gorgeous. Let's lower this baby down and take a look under the hood. All right, we're underneath the hood now, and man, again, looks like 1949 under here. I mean, everything looking sweet. 134 cubic inch flathead in here, looking good. Looks like it's got a single throat carburetor on it. All the lines are new, all the wiring is new. What's really cool with the wiring is you see it's still got all the fabric on there, just like back in the day. I mean, just looking sweet as can be, man. Everything under here is looking absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is really a showpiece. Take this truck anywhere. I guarantee you, you will draw a crowd because, I mean, nobody's seen one this nice. I go to car shows, I go to auctions, I've been doing it my whole life. I've never seen one restored to this level. She's absolutely gorgeous. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.